Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Today, Bitcoin dropped to levels not seen since the major sell-off involving 80,000 Bitcoin. The price touched 115,784 before finding support at the well-respected horizontal around 114,700. This same zone already held up during the dip on the 25th, but caution is required now. So what triggered this move? The U.S. Federal Reserve announced on July 30th that interest rates will remain steady. That led to an immediate reaction across risk markets. Bitcoin dropped sharply, while the U.S. dollar index, or DXY, spiked, adding pressure. Interestingly, DXY already started moving up around July 24th and is now up 3.13%. At the same time, gold lost 4.57%. These inversely correlated moves suggest capital is rotating into safer assets. In the last 24 hours, total liquidations reached $635.77 million, with most of it coming from longs, $577.51 million. Shorts accounted for just $58.26 million. While we avoid reading too much into liquidations, the imbalance shows that traders leaning to the upside were caught off guard. On social platforms, the sentiment seems to lean toward this being a sharp reprice rather than the beginning of a deeper downturn. A notable cluster of buying activity has been spotted around 115.8K, another sign that some market participants are viewing this level as valuable. Looking at the monthly close, July ended with a gain of 8.13%, slightly below the historical median of 8.2% since 2013. That's respectable. Still, the start of August has been shaky, and if you've been watching daily, you already know August is historically strong during bull cycles. Funny how no one seems to be talking about that right now. Personally, I used this drop to reduce my average entries. I added to my existing long positions in the 117K zone and opened another position around 115.8K. I'm prepared to scale further if we see confirmation of upward strength. Quickly checking the heat maps. One-day heat map shows a smaller cluster below us at 114,000, but the majority sits above us at 118,000 and 120,000. Three-day heat map shows only one hot pocket, which always acts like a magnet, and that's 119.3 thousand. 1 week heat map also shows only one hot pocket at 120,000. All higher time frames are pointing to the upside. On the fundamental side, two stories are worth noting. First, Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy are planning to raise $4.2 billion. The stated purpose? More Bitcoin. They also called their next earnings release a key event, which should draw attention. Second, a tweet from David Bailey claims the IMF is exploring how Bitcoin could be included in development metrics such as GDP, trade balances, and even sovereign credit ratings. That's a big deal, if true. Keep in mind, this info isn't confirmed by any official release yet. That's it for today. I'll continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time market thoughts. Click the like button if this video added value, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a daily update. And see you in the next one.